In today's video, I'll teach you how to download voice messages from Messenger on PC. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in facebook.com/messages. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the messages interface of Facebook. You'll be able to see all of your messages over here. So what you have to do is simply click on the chat from where you want to download the voice message. You can see over here the chat is already open for me. So normally you'll not be able to download the voice message, but if you want to do it, what you have to do is right click anywhere on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, inspect, that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be able to start inspecting. At top you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, network, that you can see on the screen. If you do not see the option for network, what you have to do is simply click on this option. After you do that, you'll be able to find the option for network over here. Now after that, what you have to do is click on this option, media, that you can see on the screen. Now after that, it will start recording the network activity. So what you have to do is simply play the voice message over here. If the voice message is not being recorded over here, what you have to do is click on this option, reload page. Now after you reload the page, what you have to do is simply play the voice message. Once you do that, you can see over here the voice message will appear under the section for name. So what you have to do is double click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here the voice message will be downloaded. You can simply click on the open icon in order to start playing it. So like this, you'll be able to download it. So that is how you download voice messages from Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.